final from USC Fencing Team. Mariel Torres from University of the Philippines. And Miyaki Capino from De La Salle Surveyor. Referee for this bout, Jana Alaisi from Put number 2 on pist number 6. Jolie Dana Tan from Canlas Fencing. Victoria Itano from Canlas Fencing. Sophia Shikaya Pantano from the University of the East and member of the national team. Jillian Nicole Kakatian from Okan Prime Fencing Center. Morgan from the University of the Philippines. And Regina Sinais Pascual from the Bangkok Fencing. Referee for this bout, Malcolm Kalen. Pool number 3 on pist number 7. Marian Patrice Castro from Canlas Fencing.